The shampoo basin and the shampoo bed are packed separately. On the back of the ABS wash basin, there are 2 screws that hold the hot and cold water pipes as well as the drain outlet. After completing the water connection, attach the wash basin to the Masmji bed. Tighten the 2 screws to fix the remote control holder. Then place the remote into the holder. Lift the calf section, connect the power cable, and turn on the power. Start system. The calf section will automatically rise. Press auto to start a 20-minute massage. The back, hands, and legs will start massaging simultaneously. Massage intensity supports 3 levels of adjustment. The airbag intensity also supports 3 levels of adjustment. All functions can be paused with 1 button, and resumed with 1 button. Turn on the heating function. Turn it off when not needed. Press and hold leg up to raise the calf section. Press and hold leg down to lower the calf section. Instructions for hair wash and head spa basin. Press on or off to start the system. Press LED to turn on the LED light. Press scalp to activate the water circulation inside the basin. Press it again to stop the circulation. Use temperature plus to adjust the water temperature. Press steam and wait 1-2 minutes for the steam to come out from the white box. Press again to turn off the steam. Press timer, then use temperature plus to set the timer for the scalp and steam functions. Note: after the steam function ends, the water temperature will be very high. It is not recommended to start the scalp function immediately, as this may cause scalding.